Levier fine writing instruments and Levier casting products are proud to present the turning and assembly process of an artistic pen, made with one of Levier unique and one-of-a-kind pen castings. The combination of colors for this pen casting is white, red and gold. Continuous improvement is a philosophy that we apply to all our turning projects. Organization can be defined as another form of art. The next step of the project is to mark the areas that we need to cut from our pen blank. We need to leave a gap or an amount of material about 1/16 of an inch or about 2 millimeters. This to avoid any chip out during the drilling process. The combination of the bandsaw and a cutting jig will help us have an accurate and precise cut. For this project, you can see that the layout has been completed. In other words, we have the perfect alignment and location of our tools that are going to be used for this project. A drill press and a drill vise will help us do repetitive and accurate drilling in our pen blanks, no matter the diameter that we are going to need for our pen project. One of the advantages of using Levier casting products is during the drilling process. As we can see, the shavings that are coming out are not melting and they are not sticking to the drill bit. Using a special tool that is called the pen mill, we're going to clean the two areas or the two faces of the pen blank until we see the brass tube in the surface. The performance of our pen blanks is going to be shown in the next couple of cuts. We're going to use the skew or the 1-inch skew to do the roughing and the shaping of this project. In this view, we are able to see that we are using the skew in the two positions, with a long point up and with a long point facing down. We are having a clean cut and we can see the shavings that are coming out. They are not chip out, no breaking, no nothing. Just the performance of our pen blanks are paying off. Sharpen tools are a must for every turning project. There's a complete library on how to sharpen your turning tools here in YouTube. Username Levier 2011. We made the transformation of a square pen blank into a cylinder. Now we are using our spindle master to shape our project. The spindle master is a great tool for this application. As we can see on the left side of the pen blank, you can see how shiny the pen or the project is turning without any sanding. This means that minimal sanding will be required, but still we are going to do the progressive wet sanding in all the grids. The spindle master can be used in several applications: roughing, cleaning, shaping, and in this case we are using as a scraper. As we can see, the tool is facing flat on the tool rest and at the middle of the project. Our turning process has been completed. Now it's time to do the progressive wet sanding. The progressive wet sanding that we apply to our projects goes from 120 to 3000 grit sandpaper. After the progressive wet sanding, we apply two compounds, a red and a blue, in order to apply a buffing to our pen project. This will eliminate the micro marks of the wet sanding and will add a shine to our project. After the buffing, we are going to apply plastic polish as a final finish to this project. We need to follow the instructions that comes with every kit to make the assembly of all the components of this project. If you have any questions, comments or concerns in regards to this video, feel free to send us an email. If you would like more information about our unique and one-of-a-kind pen blanks or any of the pens that we have presented in our videos, send us an email and we will reply with the requested information. We would like to say thank you to all our viewers, sponsors, and business partners all over the world. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.